This is the result when the idiot pull the pulley wheel from different model. See, there is a hole. There's supposed to be not hole at all. This is the original, and now is the problem to remove the pulley wheel. It's supposed to come off by hand, like this, but don't want. So I didn't find any mechanic who want to remove that one, because behind of this there is Z-ring which seal the engine, and no one want to take that job, so I have to do myself. So for that I make the 3 holes to use that one, the bearing remover, and I want to attach that from inside. I'm gonna do that in the morning because I have to remove that wheel. So there was bigger challenge than change the timing belt. No one want to do that. They quit. So I have to do that. So see you tomorrow. For now I'm gonna put WD-40, and I have a hope that that's gonna come off. So see you tomorrow. I've broken already 3 drill bits, but finally I make the holes. I hope that's gonna work. So I start to remove the wheel puller, the 2 arms top of it holding well, but this one in the bottom not really. It's a very high risk that come off, and I have to repeat that operation, secure more better. So probably will be unsuccessful. We see. Yes, so this arm come off, the 2 arms keep well, so I put the kind of screw to avoid this, and I don't think so it's gonna work. I'm gonna try again. Wasn't able to extract to pulley wheel, because all of them have a thread like this. This is the worst. So poor quality tool, I can do anything. The thread already is worn. Oh. All of them useless. Quick update. I removed successfully this wheel, and then you can compare. It's a very chubby on the side, very thick. This is how it looks like. It's sitting very well. And now I can put this one. Difference between them, this is not chubby, there is a gap. See? It's like a hole inside. This one is not. I did that successful by very expensive tool, like the bearing puller, which look like this. No chance band starter. It's a special hydraulic. 5 tons pressure. See, this is a hydraulic part. Expensive tool. Probably cost 500 pounds. I'm not sure. It's only that way. Only this tool for remove old-fashioned, original. This wheel. This wheel is original. Mechanic told me. And then after that, probably users complain, and they put this one. They created this one because it's easy to replace, less effort. I sacrifice cover for the timing belt. So yeah, already uncover everything. That's also supposed to come off very easy. but it's not. Because of this, I needed that part because I don't have a spare one. So I'm change the timing belt. And the most important things why I sacrifice the cover, because I need to hold by two legs, left and right, exactly in the middle. And it wasn't access because cover disturbing me, so I just simply destroyed. So I'm gonna drive without cover. There is a part of cover, but it's just damaged. Let's look like that. See, it's smashed. That one is smashed. Because I don't have a spare one, like I said, I cancel changing time belt. So for remove that wheel, I have to remove the parts for timing belt, like a sensor reader, a cover, top cover, because cover is has been made by there is a top and lower cover, so I removed that as well. Of course, the pillow which hold the engine to having access. Oh. This is top part of the cover, which goes down.
Right, come on then, everyone, get in the car.
So now I can put everything back. Bloody wheel has been changed. It's a nightmare to change. Original, which is useless because very thick. This one is very thick. This one is divided for two parts, easiest to remove.